Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Carby morning broadcast of 6th of July 2015. Volatility to increase amid Greece concern, buy and declines. Indian market ended on a positive note on last trading session with a gain of 40 points to end shy of 8500 levels, given like Greece default is seen as factored in. While on the global front, both European and US equities ended on a negative note. Going ahead for the week, domestically, the inflation numbers, quarterly results, response by market participants to the new IPOs lined up over the coming days, and progress of monsoon are the immediate triggers. While later in the month, the progress on major bills in the monsoon session of the parliament will be the key triggers to watch out for. On the international front, Greece, economic data from the US, Europe, Japan, and key decisions from central bankers shall be in focus. Technically, Nifty is trading well above its all moving averages and closed above its previous swing high of 8400 to 8450 levels, indicating a short-term positivity in the index. For now, Nifty has supports at 8430, 8450 zones and below it at 8380 and resistance at 8550 to 8580 levels. Therefore, for the day, we recommend traders to go long around 8420 to 8425 for the targets of 8500, keeping a stop loss of 8380 on a spot basis. Nifty option strategy: buy Nifty July 8500 call option around 100 105, stop loss 85, target 140 145 time frame intraday. We have 5 intraday recommendations in our KMM for the day. Ambuja Cement is a long, Asian Paints is a long, HCL Tech is a long, JSW Steel is a short, ONGC is a short. For entry, stop loss and target, please refer to the KMM of 6th of July 2015. Thank you, friends, and have a nice trading session.